a good example of a woke Jewish agenda picture. This is the profile picture of one of these prepper type groups. The thing is, it's all middle class people, and you might have one or two good ideas, but it's basically just pushing the Jewish agenda. Good example is their cover picture. This is one of the reasons why I've stopped posting in the group. You've got one white man, and he's separated from the white woman by a black family. Except it's not a black family. You've got a black man and a black woman with a black son. And then you've got a mixed race boy. So who's the mummy? There's the mummy. So it's not a black family and a white family. It's basically a gay white man and a black man who's got a kid with her and a kid with her. Yeah. Fuck you, you anti-white racist cunts.